Authority local forecast.
You know, it seems our extra hot, sizzling summer is kind of carrying over into the fall. Case in point, the first day of autumn, well above average as far as our temperatures are concerned. Let's take a look at your RV World Yuma Skycam just to give you a glimpse of the Yuma area amongst the rest of the desert Southwest, which takes us to the fire and smoke concerns. Obviously, the wildfires continuing in California. You can see the smoke residue going in some cases into the desert Southwest as haze. But that should brush off as we get on into the evening. Speaking of brushing off, I mean, compared to yesterday, we have hardly a thing going on as far as thunderstorms concerned, and not to mention the fact they weren't all that big yesterday anyway, but we certainly had one real doozy of a one near San Luis, but certainly not the case at this particular point. As you can see, a pretty stagnant radar satellite perspective, but the temperatures, well, still above average, as I mentioned. We're talking 103 to 104 degrees on average in the Imperial Valley, and then going over to the Yuma area, this is pretty close to what we're seeing in the Imperial Valley. I mean, 102 degrees in Dayton as well as Quartzsite. And so, yes, keep in mind, the average is 99 to 100 degrees, and it's only going to get toastier, folks, because a ridge of high pressure is emerging from the west, and this thing is going to blossom our temperatures over the course of the next few days. I mean, we're not talking excessive by any means, but certainly we're going to get pretty uppity in that department. Your Metrocast will be at 84 degrees by midnight. We'll wake up fairly comfortable as we get on into your Wednesday, and then we'll be pretty close to that 100 degree mark by the noon hour. So that takes us to your Cretins extended forecast, and you can see that we certainly are going to keep the well above average feel. Remember, 100 to 99 degrees is average, and you can see we're well above that, not only in Yuma, but also in the Imperial Valley as well. We could even get close to 110 as well.